The sofa is delivered in 2 packages, all of which are vacuum sealed, and you can see the unboxing portion of this here. This yellow woven bag contains all of the sofa covers and the small pillows. The box includes 4 sponge blocks, and here in a second you're going to see how they're supposed to be arranged for installation. Due to the foam blocks being vacuum sealed, you'll want to give 12 to 48 hours for the sponge blocks to recover their shapes before installing the entire sofa. Today we are going to show you how to install this sofa seat. This is best done with 2 people, and you can see here how we have arranged the wedges. This does come in 2 packages, so just keep that in mind when ordering, and it does have a slip cover that goes underneath the soft fluffy cover. You can see it's very easy to put this over the cushions. There are spots that you can see it is kind of notched out for the arms, and the best way to do this is making sure that all of those foam pieces are tight together so that the slipcover will go over nice and easy. The frame of this is composed of 4 strong blocks for support. When your package arrives, it is vacuum sealed. You will want to open it and allow 12 to 48 hours for the sponge frame to recover its shape and fully expand. Once you're ready for the installation process, it's very quick and easy. It took about 20 minutes for us to do this, and the most difficult part is making sure that you have the slip covers on the correct way. Otherwise, it's very simple. You just put these on and they zip around the foam pieces. Keeping the foam blocks nice and tight does help this entire process go a lot smoother because everything will fit nice and snug and secure within this slip cover. Once you have it over the entire top portion, you will want to flip it so that you can get that cover to go over the bottom. But before you do that, there is a pocket for that foam square piece that you see in the middle, and you will insert the foam into the pocket before you zip the liner completely around the outside perimeter of the bottom of the foam wedges. This first slip cover should fit nice and tight. You can see here that we did have to push a few pieces in, and then we do have to kind of pull the liner down so that it can zip up nice and secure. And then once this part is finished, you will flip it the right way again to put the soft cover on. The sofa cover is made of a very soft and wide striped short plush fabric. It is super comfortable. We really like the quality of this, and because you can remove this liner, you are able to wash it and clean it very easily. It slips over the same way the first liner did. It's just as simple. You just tuck everything in so it's nice and tight, and then you can flip it upside down again so that you can pull the bottom liner up and zip it. The bottom liner also has a non-slip textured grip bottom. This is great because it's not going to move around very easily. And once you've done this, you are pretty much finished. You just put this nice big cushion, which is filled with polyester and is very comfortable. It also includes 2 pillows, and it is a great place to relax and just enjoy being comfy and cozy. I hope that this video has helped with the installation of your sofa, and just remember, it will arrive in 2 packages and may take 1 to 3 days between arrival of each package.